randomly started vlogging today morning because felt like it. Let's see how it goes. And मेरी ऑनलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट होने में kind of 15 minutes है, so I am just planning my week कहने वाली थी मैं डे इतना प्लान कर नहीं सकती मैं क्योंकि चेंज हो जाता है कुछ ना कुछ. सो इट्स जस्ट द डे एंड आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग गूगल कैलेंडर पता है for all this planning and stuff, and it's so cute and pretty when I actually feel like doing all the tasks that I put in for myself. I'll show you guys. Okay, see, this is what I was talking about. It looks pretty. So I don't know, मैं तो सारे काम कर लेती हूँ. Yes, ma'am. My classes got over, and as you can see I just did this setup here. So this is for the photo shoot that I need to do after I shoot the makeup look. And yeah, now we'll just go outside and set up the makeup video station sort of thing. Yeah, let's go. Right, okay, first look at this. This is normal red nail paint, okay, and this is red nail. Okay, this finger is not that dry, but look at this matte, right? I just use this Nykaa matte thing. It's a matte top coat basically, and it works so well. I love it because I honestly prefer matte. This is the full look. It's kind of like a boss lady look, and I know बहुत dark makeup है and मैं generally तो ऐसा नहीं करती, but I'm really liking, you know, experimenting with different makeup karna and this and that. I know different looks, different makeup looks. Yeah, this is very red but yeah, I really like it. Like I did this stick on bead thing and I've been loving them recently. Also, yeah, okay, so basically जब makeup करते हो, a lot of stuff comes on your fingers, right? Like extra इधर उधर आ जाते हैं. So I can just get a napkin and use that, but I am so lazy. Just look what I do, okay? Can you see this? I hate it. Why do I do this? And मेरे को अभी full outfit pictures लेनी है, so मेरे को जाके पूरा हटाना पड़ेगा. Could have just used a napkin in the first place. Also, stay hydrated. I realized मैंने बहुत देर से पानी नहीं पिया है because I was shooting and was totally in a different zone. Shouldn't do that. Stay hydrated. Sorry for the noise, kitchen में काम हो रहा है. But yeah, what was I saying? हाँ, as you can see, this thing has shifted to the drawing room from my room. Yeah, and I'm super tired. I still have to shoot a few more things, so I will have coffee post on Instagram and then I'll get back to this. I hope you can hear me. I'm kind of shouting. Anyways, okay, bye. I had my coffee and I posted on Instagram. Still feeling tired, but I think I'll be able to shoot the rest of the stuff. Anyways, आओ हाय बोल दो.
नहीं वो तूने शूट करना है कि नहीं करना? आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर शूट.
हाय बोलो.
हाय गाइस.
हाँ, so go follow me on Instagram. El Macayo. Seriously, dude, just go and follow because this post I'm going to show you my last post and I'm so proud of this. It took me hours to do this and I'm so proud of it. I can't play the song because YouTube copyright issues, but at least I'll show you the video. Go see it on Instagram with the sound. Awesome. Cool, right? Just the picture. Focus. I don't think my camera is focusing, but anyways, took me hours to make this, but I'm so proud of this look. And have you thought about it? Like, वो look करने में मेरे को बहुत time लगा, okay, but it took me less than 10 minutes to remove the entire thing. I know, right? मेरे लिए बहुत ऐसे mind blowing सा हो गया था. मतलब obviously I know मेकअप उतारने में 10 मिनट लगता है, मेकअप करने में इतना टाइम लगता है, but just that जब वो hit करती है ना चीज़, you go like what? Because I spent so many hours on it. I'm just procrastinating my shoot, talking to you guys, और अब मैं जाके shoot कर रही हूँ. Okay, bye. Hi. Okay, so last when I vlogged, it was I think 10, 11 something. I was very sleepy, but I had to study. Okay, so I was like, "Chalo, pad lenge, whatever." Okay, but I was very sleepy. Okay, but I was like, "No, Khushbu, you'll power through. You'll do it." Okay, and I did it, and now it's 1. Like I obviously wasted some time here and there, but now it's 1. And I'm not really sleepy, but I have to sleep because it's late, because I need to wake up early. Does that happen to you? Like I think ये मेरा बहुत normal है कि मेरे को 9-10 बजे बहुत गंदी नींद आती है, and then somehow I decide not to sleep, and then it's 1, and I'm like shit, should have slept. But anyways, good night. Hi guys, so it's Saturday and I had a class at 8:45, so I woke up early for it, but now it's cancelled or postponed, I don't know yet, probably at 11:45 or 1 p.m. But anyways, I have my class at 9:45, 10:45, then maybe 11:45, and yeah, I have an hour to spare before it's 9:45, so I guess I'll just study now. Yeah. My 8:45 class is at 1 p.m. So I had again an hour free in between, and I decided to थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई से हट के, like I really need to do something else. So I was actually editing this vlog only, like the clips that I've already shot. I'll just start editing it because I don't know where I'm going to end this vlog. Let's see. Also, I really want to remove this nail paint. I don't like red nail paint, but I'm too lazy to do it. But I'll definitely do it today because I totally don't like this. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's just good old editing, watching Sejal Kumar. Like I've been following her for a long time, but recently I've been loving her a lot. जानते होगे सेजल कुमार कौन है, मतलब नहीं जानते तो देख लो यार. सो आई थिंक मैंने किसी ब्लॉग में तो मेंशन किया था दैट मेरे को काफ़ी बैक इशू है, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू अ डॉक्टर अगेन and not getting into any details and stuff, but today I got that cupping therapy. I don't know if you've heard of it, and I think you can see this mark type thing. It's kind of all over my back, and let me just tell you, it's painful. And yeah, and I think needle therapy bhi hogi. I'm very scared of it. Like just the thought that एक needle मेरी body के अंदर होगी या आसपास भी होगी, it's scary. Yeah, I know. I feel the same for injections as well. I'm not scared of the pain. Just that thing that there's a needle inside me, it just kind of freaks me out. Anyways, abhi I have my dance class in 45 minutes, so I'll just drink up my coffee and I need to study a bit for my class, and then I just have my class, so I'll just do that. Yeah. Done with my dance class and now going to take a bath, and I think my brother ordered something from KFC for dinner today. Super excited for it. यार मतलब I think 7 months तो easily हो गए, so I'm excited to have KFC. Yeah, I know इतना healthy नहीं होता, but ठीक है, कोई नहीं, once in a while चलता है. I had my dinner and you know what? I was really excited for KFC, but I don't know why. Probably because I had it after so many months और मेरे को आदत नहीं रही obviously ऐसे बाहर का जंक खाने की. So जितना हाइप मैंने क्रिएट किया था खुद के लिए उतना अमेजिंग था नहीं. Like it was good, like the taste and all was good, but I didn't really enjoy it that much. Yeah. Anyways, on that note, I think I'm going to end the vlog and I'll see you in the next video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share the video, follow me on Instagram, all that. And yeah, bye.